Hi friends, I have a quick review for you today on adding on that we talked about last Friday at our Zoom meeting. Because there's a couple things that I think happen that I can make a little clear for you. The first thing I want to talk to you about is writing a number sentence. Okay, so let me show you what a regular sentence looks like. It looks like this. My name is Miss Kathi. Okay, what I want you to notice is that my sentence is all in a line. I start here and I read going this way. My name is Miss Kathi. If I just wrote these words anywhere on the board, it wouldn't be a sentence and you wouldn't know what it says. If I said my, and I wrote name over here, and I wrote is up here, and Miss Kathi, there's no way you would be able to read that sentence. For it to make sense, it has to be in a line and you read it this direction from left to right. Let me show you what it is when you write a number sentence. And that's what we were working on last week, you might remember. We pulled cards from two different stacks. We wrote the number sentence, and then we read it. Let me show you what that looks like. Just a quick review. All right, so my two stacks of cards. Well, hard to say what they're gonna look like now, they just tipped over. All right, so I'm gonna pull my first one, the number 8. It's the first word in my sentence. 8. And then the next thing I want to know is what I'm going to do about that 8. I'm going to put it with another number, 8 plus. That means I have 8, and I'm going to get some more. I'm going to pull my other, oh, that's a different color. 9, that's the next part of my sentence. It goes in the line next door. 8 plus 9, and then this is equals, all right? That means, what do we have when we put them both together? So what we talked about with adding on was that we already have the numbers here. We don't have to start counting this one again. We don't have to count it again because we already know it's 8. But we're going to count on. We have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, there we go. Let's try the next one. I'm going to pull a card. It's the number 4. That's going to be the first thing in my sentence. It's going to start all the way here to the left. 4. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to find out. I'm going to add on to it. This is the next part of my sentence. It's called plus. And here's my next number, 6. It goes right here. We're working from left to right. You can see they're not scattered all over the board. They're in a nice straight line going across. All right, now we're going to add them together. We're just going to count on. We don't have to count every dot. We already know that this is 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and I'm going to write that one down. Here's my number sentence. If you didn't write it like this, watch what you might have done. Maybe you did this. How in the world would you ever know what that sentence said? When you write it out in a nice line in order, it's just like reading. You know what it says. It's a number sentence. All right, practice a few more times. We're going to talk about it again when I see you at the Zoom meeting on Friday. All right? Be fun. See you then. Bye.